This place is known as Lotukawa. Lotukawa is a
Anh nghe số khám sa kisi trầm du la nhầm đồ nên chế chỗ đấy đó lụt chút cao rồi
lột cao chết sa, nên chú rồi, ta nên ngồi rồi,
kisi là tha nhầm rồi sung đồ chỗ đấy chế chủ nhiều mèo à
Excuse me, one for
ना हरिओम बाबा के पैसा होला
गाड़ी हम ले लेंगे तुम्हें
This place is known as Lotukawa. Lotukawa is a Tibetan word means 6-year meditation of Lord Buddha before enlightenment. When Buddha came from Nalanda and Rajgriha, he first went in a mountain called Dungeswari. In middle of the mountain there is a cave. Buddha entered into the cave and did meditation there, but he can't got enlightenment there, so he came across this river and sit under the Bodhi tree. He came from Kapilvastu, his native place, to this place. He can't got enlightenment, and his enlightenment 2 kilometers from here in Bodh Gaya. What is the reason? The reason is that his mother is dead after 7 days of his birth, Mahamaya Devi. That was unnatural death. She can't reach in heaven. She wandered in the sphere as any way, and she was the hindrance of his enlightenment path. So he came here and did meditation first in remembrance of his mother Mahamaya Devi. When she was approaches for heaven, the enlightenment path is very clear now from this place. You across the Niranjana river and came here. In bank of Niranjana river there is a village called Sujata village. A lady Sujata came here and did meditation of this Bodhi tree every day. She have no any child. She taking promise of this place. If I have a first child, we gave food to a saint. When she got happiness, she came here and saw a saint is did meditation here. That was Siddhartha. She have many cows. She taking milk and make a sweet dish Oma. She offered Buddha in a golden plate. Buddha take one particle of rice. When he ate, the certain energy engaged in Buddha body. So he asked Sujata to go anywhere. So he departed from Sujata home to Bodh Gaya across the Niranjana river and sit under the Bodhi tree. Many grass cutter cutting grass. Sujata went there and they taking some bundle of kusa grass and laid down under the Bodhi tree, and he got enlightenment in same night. When the enlightened, the whole earth of Bodh Gaya is thrilling now at that time. All the men gathered and stand in front of Buddha, told that please say anything, please say anything. But Buddha don't say anything 1 week. In 1 week he got enlightenment. In second week, when we go around the Mahabodhi tree in Bodh Gaya, in main gate right side there is a big temple called Animesh Lochan. He is standing on that place and saw that Bodhi tree 1 week with unblinking eyes. Ki what is the reason he got me enlightenment? Third week, during walking, when he climb up his foot, a lotus imprints is occurred on the earth. And when he goes in ponds area, the nature is creating a heavy rain and a storm. So the king of a snake, Mochlinda, went there and saved Buddha safely. After 14 days spent in Mahabodhi Mahavihara, here in Lothukava there are 3 Brahmins, Gaya Kassapa, Nadi Kassapa or Uruvela Kassapa. So Uruvela Kassapa lived here. He thought that we are living here and did meditation of again and again. There is no any miracle here, but he is enlightened in Bodh Gaya in very short period and in very short distance. How it is possible? We examined it. So Uruvela Kassapa called Buddha and told him to go inside the pit. Buddha went there and did meditation there. Uruvela Kassapa have 300 disciples. He told his disciples, as soon as you go there, you put a snake. As soon as a snake came in front of Buddha, a snake exhausted a smoke in face of Buddha. Buddha is also enlightenment man. He also treated same as. At last, a snake go around this pit and sit the begging bowl of Lord Buddha just like. So they knows that he is enlightenment man. So I told to come out inside. All are bent down in front of Buddha. All are became disciples of Buddha. And after cutting hair, they are departure from here to Sarnatha, Varanasi, where he was giving first a speech of enlightenment to 5 monks. When his presence in Sarnatha goes to Kapilvastu, information goes to Kapilvastu. The sun is very, Rahul is very at that time low as a age. He go up. He thought that my father came nearby Saranatha Varanasi. He came here and told that my mother called you. So Buddha went to Kapilvastu to see his wife Yasodhara. After meeting, Yasodhara is weeping now at that time. So Yasodhara is the second woman who is the disciples of Buddha. First woman who is his mother sister named Prajapati Gautami. That Gautami one name Buddha is Gautam Buddha. Buddha don't go any country to advertise Buddhism. Buddha also went to Indian state, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. At last, when his age is 80 years, he stayed in Saravasti. He is suffering from dysentery. At that stage, he goes to Uttar Pradesh. There is a district Gorakhpur. In Gorakhpur district, there is a village Kushinagar. He went there and sit a Bodhi tree, under Bodhi tree. So a man came named Chandu, told that, Buddha, please come my home to take milk. Buddha says, okay, I am went second early morning. So Buddha went there. He ate at that person food and certain food poisoning there, and that was the reason of his Mahaparinirvana. Before that, he asked his disciples, which is present there, do you know I like 2 types of meal very well. I am son of a king in Kapilvastu. I have so many dishes, delicious dishes, but I like 2 types of meal very well. First, Sujata Uma. So I got enlightenment in Gaya. And second, this man gave me food. So I looks like I am going to Mahaparinirvana. This is the last speeches of Buddha. He gone forever in Kushinagar. That's all.
सभी देवताओं का आवाहन करें, अब पूरा हो जाएगी।
पीछे रात
थोड़ा सुम करो, थोड़ा 3 बार पहले घूम लो। इसके बाद 10, 20, 100, 50 जो भी देना होगा माथे से 3 बार घुमा करके उसमें डालना है।
अच्छा जी।
अरे बाबू इधर कैमरा है।
नबी मिलते थे मेरा हेलो मेरे को नबी दिया
100 दिया, 100।
100 नहीं है मैंने ऐसे ले गया देख
10 रुपए लगाया।
나도 막 술로 붙여 놓을까?
ये नाना इनको弄这里可以那个这些白都是खेलने नंबर有米了
렌즈 하고 싶어 गेला 아다시 맞지 줘 시간
सुजाता टेम्पल ना, वो जो खीर खाया था ना, वो मंदिर ना।
again again.
아 너 수자다 템플
पुराना भी तो सुना है।
커피 우스레게
한것도 비. 근데 거라도.
술한잔 겨울렀어
아따다 더발에 수시 대답되는 인증의 마모도 때 성가시시 배우도.
키나주 씹는시 상계 중대되나니 루주 가와지는데 딱 부수 교벌 차대 와도 임베나니 장스마 콩게 상계를 오마 퓨브리 수경디 내제 데르샤 다레 다 춥스도 nen제 기시라님도 기시 좀 들라.
네, 하고 지어들어.
빼하고 제소. 그전치 기시라 드린치 남다. 땀미망고 피도.
자시들네 아주
네, 개라게. 간이 빼고.
야야.
살로 줬다. 살로 주고 내 언니 나오는. 엄마는 좀. 언니 나.
오래는
기시라님도
들어 지야지야.
第三届准备的我们去年的市民卡，退了给不那古不多，古不古不。三届准备的了，我们去年给的尝试嘛就是吧，暑假的空给餐饮边的，第市民卡也是的去那些，现在那块钱那就你们都过来几天是吧？必须。기시 라떼.
장상 원래로. nen지도 던덕으로 장상 원래. 그래.
나와 깊게. 마냥 저는 됐다.
아.
어째 쉬고. 따뜻 제로나. 제로나 nen제바 망고 페샤 드린 기시 좀 들라게. 나고 싶지 지나 수제를 뉴메 봐. 게임 피뉴에.
내가 나한테 다 뭐야.
아.
자기 지도이 봐. 어때 가상 레인 봐.
아, 레레스.
그 가슴 쳤던 자기 당을 지도이 봐.
응.
그 로니 숨을 레인 봐.
아, 레레스. 레스. 뭔가 전부 쉬고 있었다. 신이만 상계로 오면 그냥 지금 인기를 취해지냐 능미야 그렇지.
그래 어디 있어?
응.
이제마다 금방 쉬고 가르도.
그래 진짜 사실 신문 좀. 진짜. 채는 수지다 그거 지금.
쉬고 똥만 이.
있어. 상계 사기다. 나. 응.
내가 몇 번에 해놨어?
라. 배바래 엘라 스쿠샬라. 빠르게. 소 인지 겨서 아프무디.
네.
그거냐. 삼생 있는 거 파짝겠어. 이끼了청출 준시.
진짜 금방 지나 보였으면 이제 이러더라.
그
휴대해서 뭐지 이거?
그래. 딱
뭐 이런 거?
먼저 딱지지 제치다 겨와슌게. 상원이도.
네.
여행 상원에 가봐 정말로.
그 나는 저그 그래서 돌아가는데 휴스 보여로. 그냥 다해서 때 충분히 그러더라. 그거 시가 친구도 그러.
이제 하고 조수라 달로.
달로 나시 야보더니. 근데 무슨 짓도 하신 거지? 그냥 엔지지야 그렇고. 근데 가서 이제 저거 캔을 좀 봐주는 근데 전에 되게 계속 그냥 순서가 뭐 당고 순진도 당고 순서가
아니 레마스다
이거 이게 되면서
수제다 승가 제 사스도 아스데 꼬르지게 마 떨로줘잉 달래고스다 야 따가지나 얘 고아시 녀죠 야 뒤에 뒤에 맞게 좀我们 국회 기숙사 앞에 된도 한 번도 하는 놈도 집에서